Hello from Tajmotormedics. I've got a Citroen C5 here on a 2015 plate. I've just done a video on this for the rear stop lamp, how to remove the rear tail light. I've done that already. Now I'm doing the main dip bulb on this. As you switch the lights on, please. If you look right here, that's a H7 bulb which is working. This one here isn't working. To do it, it is a simple procedure. Lights off, engine off. Right, okay, now what you got to do, make sure the first thing you got to do is remove this cover. And remember the seal inside as well, so make sure the seal is intact. So I can't see one here. Oh, there it is. I can see one right on the inside there. So that's the seal in there. The bulb we need to replace is this one here, which is for the main dip bulb, low beam, and the high beam bulb would be in here. So if you did want to replace the high beam bulb, which is right there. And the 501 bulb, I need to have a look. I think this has got the daytime running lamp, which doesn't have a 501 position lamp, so it'll be this strip across here. Okay, so what we're going to now do is remove this. So you got to push down. No, sorry, you got to just wiggle gently, pull the plug out. Now just remember how you take the bulb out, that's how you put it back in. I'm just going to see if I can get a better angle on the inside so you can see the bulb. It's too close, so I'll get it back out. Sorry, I can't show it to you. So the pin locator on that one is at the top. So if I just do wiggle with the bulb, take it out, you can see that pin locator for the H7. This one here, it goes on the top. When you slot it in, make sure it goes on the top like that. So we're going to get a new bulb. Always remember not to touch the front of the bulb, the lens itself, so don't touch the lens. And the pin locator there is at the top there. So just going to try to get this right. So slot it in, wiggle, lovely. That's all done. We're going to plug it back in, so make sure it plugs in right as well. And just remember how you take it out, that's how you put it back in. And if you find this video useful, saved you a lot of money, you know what you got to do. Like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to click on the special thanks button as well. I'm just going to check the lights now. Switch the ignition on, turn the lights on please. That's lovely. As you can see, that there is working. This here is working as well. Now if there is anything else you need to know on this particular model, Citroen C5 on a 15 plate, do ask us. We'll try helping you as much as we can. And there is a playlist for Citroen as well. Do check that out. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and the special thanks button. Thank you and goodbye.